Hello children, how are you all? I welcome you all for today's class. This is Sri Devi teaching you 4th class English. Today's topic is pronouns, and also I want to end with Kabaddi composition. Got it children? Are you ready? Okay. Before teaching pronouns, I would like to tell you nouns. In pronoun itself we are having noun word. In the pronoun only we have noun. Noun means naming word. In place of naming word we are using pronoun. Okay. Suppose if I go in metro, what happens? By seeing me, other younger children, ma'am, please come and sit. Please, you can take my seat. You take my seat, ma'am. They say. They get up and they offer me seat. In place of their seat, I am occupying. I am sitting. That means what? What is the meaning of it? Replacing. I'm replacing their place. So I want to use this word now, replacing. What it is? Replacing words. Pronouns are replacing words. They replace nouns. For example, I am Sri Devi. Sri Devi is a teacher. She teaches English. She comes from far away. She stays in Madinaguda. Okay, all these are there. I'm going, if I tell always Sri Devi, Sri Devi, Sri Devi, Sri Devi, what will happen? It irritates you with the same word. Okay, repetition of noun, how it will be, repetition of Sri Devi always, how it will be, how odd it looks. Sri Devi is a teacher. Sri Devi teaches English. Sri Devi is a, Sri Devi is a, sorry, Sri Devi likes yellow color. Sri Devi eats biryani. Sri Devi stays in Madinaguda. If I say, goes on saying it, that word, Sri Devi, is it irritating you? Yes. Repetition of nouns is irritating you, is it not? In place of Sri Devi, we can keep she. She's a teacher. She comes from Madinaguda. She likes yellow color. She eats biryani. She's coming from there. Okay, she's teaching English. Okay, her book is this. Her book. Are you understanding, children? These are all pronouns. We have lots of examples. Pronouns. I, me, mine, you, yours, we, they, them, her, hers. All these are pronouns, examples of pronouns. Uh, did you understand, children? Already we have done in second class. Got it? Let us see now. Is it interesting? Yes. There are different kinds of pronouns. You know how many pronouns we have? So many. Uh, what is it? Reflexive pronouns are there. Object pronoun is there. Subject pronoun is there. Okay, personal pronoun is again different numbers, that is. Okay, and demonstrative pronouns are there. Demonstrative is what? Showing, demonstration. Okay, interrogative. In interrogative word will be there. What, how, whose. Okay, like that words will be there. In subject, what will be there? Subject means what? Starting. Subject, predicate, no, subject means naming part. In the naming part, in the beginning it will be there. That words. Okay. Object means what? At the end of the sentence it will be there. Object. Got it, all of you? For example, call her. Okay. Call him. Got it? Hmm? I am Sri Devi. I means starting. So subject pronoun. Subject pronoun, object pronoun. Okay, all these are there. Okay, this all just you. This is for your understanding, children. All this. Okay, got it. Interrogative pronouns are there. You never heard it. In second class, we didn't teach you. Whose, what. Okay, uh, all like WH questions will be there. WH words. Got it. These are new words. Got it? All these you try to have. So many pronouns are there. Let us see now here. Pronouns, replacing words. What is this? A pronoun is a word used in the place of a noun. Example, I, me, my, mine. You, your, yours. We, our, ours. Us, it, its. They, them, theirs. this, that, these, those. This, that, these means this is one, these are many. That is one, those are many. This, these are used for showing the objects, near objects. That and those are shown for far objects. Okay. He, his, him. For masculine gender we use she, her, hers. From where we use? For feminine gender we use. Okay, coming to next. Different kinds of pronouns. Let us see. See, different kinds of pronouns are there. Subject pronoun. Subject means what? Naming part. In the starting it will be there. I am a teacher. You are a good boy. We are good children. He is a, all starting it is there. You see, he is a good boy. She is a good girl. In the subject it is there, all this. Next, object pronoun. Object pronoun, you will have object means what? Thing like. Transitive verb actually it's a. So it is not exactly that actually. It comes, you think only one idea. In object word it ends, it comes at the end of the sentence. Okay, at the end it will come. In the sentence at the end it will come. Call me, call me, call him, call her, call them, like that. Okay, understood. It will not come in the beginning actually, these words. So object pronoun, got it. Possessive pronouns, you have to know this only is there now. In 4th class possessive pronouns are there. Possessive pronouns means what? It shows ownership. It indicates ownership. That means belonging to somebody. It is my book. It is mine. It is my book. It is mine. It is yours. It is hers. Okay. In possessives we have two things. Noun. For noun we have to put apostrophe. For noun, noun means what? Name. Any naming part. Father. My father's name. You are putting apostrophe there. But here possessive pronouns we don't have apostrophe. Yours. How it will be see here? Mine, your, yours, our, ours, theirs, it is. Okay. These are possessive pronouns means what? Belonging, belonging. It indicates ownership. Whose it is means it is somebody's. Okay, got it. Whose book, whose you think in the mind, that's all. Because this possessive pronoun is very important. We are having so many, what is it, worksheets you should do on Saturday. We are giving it in the practice book itself, you should do. Okay. I will not help you. You should know very clearly. On your own you should do. Don't ask tuition teacher. Don't ask parents. You should only do on your own. Demonstrative pronouns means showing, pinpointing and showing. I showed you just now. This, these. This, these for near objects. That, those for far objects. Got it? This means one. These means many. That means one. Those means many. Reflexive pronouns means what? In the mirror we can see reflection. Yes. I for I, myself. For her, herself. Him, himself. It, itself. Like that. All these are. Okay. You, yourself. In this also one and many will be there. Ourselves. Self also will be there. Selves. Them, themselves. S-E-L-V-E-S. Self means one. Selves means many. S-E-L-V-E-S. Okay. These are reflexive pronouns. In coming classes you will be knowing. In 5th class, 6th class you will have this. Interrogative pronoun. Who. First time we are learning this. Who, whose, whom, what. Got it? This is there in this who word. You have to, some words are there in worksheets now. Coming worksheets. Okay children? Got it? So how many different kinds of pronouns? So many different pronouns are there. Okay, try to have a look. Try to understand. Got it? Shall we go for another one? Yes. Personal pronouns means number. Personal pronouns means what? Number. First pronoun, first number, first person, second person, third person. It is. Got it, children? Well, how many in personal pronouns we are showing? Singular, plural. Singular, plural. It tells about number. Okay. In first person, I am there. Okay. I am there. I, my. Okay. In that again, one and many. For one, I. Okay, for one I, for many means we. In we also I am there. First you don't learn this. First you tell me. First person means I. Second person means opposite person, you. Third person means I am not there, you are not there. We are talking about third person. Somebody. Okay, third person. He, she, it. He, she, it. Got it? In first person I am there. Singular I. For many we. In we word, I am there. Many word. Okay, got it. For second person, you. You means one also you, many also you only, children. Got it. You. Got it. Again, for third person, what is there for third person? He, she, it. It is used for animals and for this. And next, what it is? For many, we are using them. For them, their. Okay, got it. Now I will show you the table. Please by heart it. Please by heart it. It is very, very important. You have to by heart it at any cost. Like how we by heart tables, like that you have to by heart now. Okay, it should come into your brain this. See, easy way I will tell you. First person, see here, one, many. First person, I am there. Second person, you are this, opposite person. Third person, I am not there, you are not there. Third person, we are talking secretly about other person. Okay, think that. Third person, he, she, it. Got it, all of you? This is one. For one means what? Singular. For many means what? We. In we, I am there. Yes. In us, it is us. It us. They are talking about us. Us means even I am also there. So one and many. One, many. Try to by heart. Second person, you also same. One, many also same. You means we can use. Suppose 10 children are there. You people, for a full class, madam will say, you people are not at all listening. Means many 45 members. For one child also, madam will say, you are a bad boy, you are a good boy. Okay, she will say or not. For one single child also, she will say you. For 10 children or for 40 children, she will say you are not at all listening. You people are troubling the teacher like anything. We will say or not, that only. First person also, second person, one, second, many also, you. Now coming to third person, you see here. He, she, it. For many, they, them. Got it, children? Let us go another one. You have to by hand this. Okay, my work is over. Your duty is to learn all this. If you didn't understand, try to understand again and again. Listen third time, fourth time, fifth time you listen. Then you will understand. You will get it slowly. You try to focus. Children, coming to possessives. Possessives pronouns. Whose pen is this? Whose? This is Sri Devi's pen. It is ours. Hers. It is yours. His. Means belonging to somebody. This pen belongs to somebody. Ownership. Oh, understood, children. Belongs to somebody. It indicates ownership. Whose answers the question whose. For example, whose pen is this? This is mine. It is my book. It is her book. That means you are understanding it belongs to somebody. It is her book. It is us. It is his. It is our class. It is ours. Their, theirs, yours. This possessives, we have two topics in possessives. One is possessive pronouns, and another one is we have in nouns also we have. What is your father's name? Children, I will tell you, put apostrophe. If you put apostrophe, it becomes possessive. Got it, children? That also is there. This also is there. That is different. Now coming to possessive pronouns, what we have to write? You understood? It belongs to somebody. I will not come. I am a teacher. I is not a possessive. It is hers. This book is hers. This book is hers. This book is theirs. This car is theirs. Understood? Got it? Okay, children. Coming to next. Worksheets. Next, pronouns. Read the story, The Hare and the Tortoise given below. Got it? A hare was once boasting of his speed First, what you should do, you underline all the pronouns. Here, what are pronouns are there? Is, I, he, I, you, I, me, I, then I, you, okay, we, all these are pronouns. Now let us see. Here you see what we have to write, mention, you read, see here. Write down all the words that the hare user, hare means what? Rabbit, uses to address himself. For hare, what word we are using here, what pronoun we are using here, you should write it here. One has been done as an example. Here one more thing you see. Now write down the word that tortoise uses for the hare. For the tortoise, tortoise is using for the hare. Write down the word the tortoise uses for the hare. For the hare, what is she using again? Okay, let us see. Read. A hare was once boasting of his speed. What is that now? Okay, right here, what is it? The hare uses to address himself. No, I have never. Addressing. This is not. Addressing is not telling about it. I have. Yes, I. Got it, children? I means who here? Hare. It is telling, it is addressing, introducing, addressing and telling about it. I have never yet been beaten in a race. He told them. He means who there? He told them is not addressing. He is not addressing. It is narrator is telling this. He told, this first line is narrator is telling. This word is addressing. That here itself is addressing. Now he told them is not narrator is saying. Now again this you see. I can run faster. This is addressing. Addressing means what? Telling the dialogue. I can run faster than any one of you. I means who here? Again hare only. Run than any of you. You means who here? Hare. Okay, got it. I challenge. Again I here you see. I challenge anyone here to race with me. Me means who here? Hare. Okay, the tortoise said quietly, I accept the challenge. That is a good joke. Who is saying I again? I accept the challenge. That is a good joke. The hare laughed. I could dance around you all the way. Keep your boasting until you have won. See, keep your boasting. Your means who here? Hare. Who is saying? The tortoise is saying to hare. You should write your also here. I didn't write here. You write your, and you also. Boasting until you have won. Two are there. Your is there. You is there. You write you and your also. Got it? Understood? Next. Coming to next. Now, what word does the tortoise use for both the hare and himself? We. What is it? It is used to be. Okay. What word? We means or both together they are there. The word has been used instead of the word animals. For animals, for all the animals. What it is used? Them. Use T small letter children. Them. Got it? Next. The words that you have written are called pronouns. They stand for the nouns, hare, tortoise and animals. Are you understanding? In the same way you should do for the coming worksheets. Okay. Now see here. Now another one we are doing. These are fill in the blanks. Now imagine you are the hare. Now imagine you are the hare. I am the hare. You continue to narrate the story to your friends. You tell this story to your friends now in this way. Use pronouns. Now you have to use pronouns. Okay, to complete the story. The first sentence has been done as an example. Now you see. After the tortoise challenged me, a course was fixed and a start made. Okay, understood now. Fill in the blanks, Adu. Dash ran out of sight at once. I ran out. I ran out of sight at once. But the tortoise did not give up. Dash continued to walk slowly but steadily. It here. Okay. Soon knowing that it was far behind me. Okay. I stopped to have a nap. But when I woke up from my nap, I saw that it was far ahead of me. Quickly, I got up and ran as fast as I could. But it had already touched the finish line. Got it, children? This first only you don't see from this. First you write on your own, children. Then you cross check the answer. It's from this book you cross check again. Okay. From this video again cross check. First you do on your own. After understanding the chapter, after understanding the concept, you do on your own. Okay. Next. Now coming to this worksheet number 2. Okay. Read the following extract taken from B2 Mix Up at Birth Unit Sports of My English Reader. The story has been written by Sunil Gavaskar. Circle the pronouns and say what nouns they replace. Now circle the pronouns. All pronouns you circle. Very easy it is. And say what Sunil Gavaskar, for Sunil Gavaskar, what words we have used. The baby, what word we have used. It's different. I told you no. This is what interrogative pronoun we are using here. For uncle, what word we have used, you have to say. First, encircle. Encircle. Here I did not encircle. I just darkened. You have to encircle. See, circle. Circle the pronoun he said. I, my, I, what. What is also pronoun. He. In my examples, I did not give you, but it is there. In different kinds of pronouns, I gave what and all that. Okay. What would have happened if he, I, okay, I, who, my, I, he, okay children, he, this, I, okay, he, all these are pronouns. Okay, once again, I am grateful to my uncle for noticing the hole, for I have often wondered what would have happened if he had not been alert. Perhaps I would have grown up to be a fisherman working somewhere along the west coast. I often think about the baby who for a spell took my place. I don't know if he is interested in cricket or whether he will ever read this book. I can only hope that if he does, he will start taking a little more interest in Sunil Gavaskar. Sunil Gavaskar means who here? I. Okay, my. Okay, I. Okay, what? What would have happened if he? He means who here? Uncle. He means here uncle. He had not been. Perhaps I would have grown up. I means here Sunil Gavaskar. To a fisherman working somewhere along the west coast. I often think. I means who here Sunil Gavaskar. Who? The baby who? I often think about the baby who. The baby who means here. Who? Baby means who. For a spell took my place. My means again here Sunil Gavaskar. I don't know if he is interested in cricket or he. He means who here? Uncle again. It was not uncle here. Sorry. Baby. Again baby only. Another baby. Okay. Is interested in cricket or whether he will ever read this book. You can write he also here children. Who and he. Okay. He will ever read this book. I can only hope that if he does, he will start taking little more interest in Sunil Gavaskar. He means again baby. He means again baby. 2-3 words are there you see. Okay. He will ever read this book. He, you write here. He will read this book. I can only hope that if he does, he will start taking more little interest. You can write he. How many are there? That many. Because there is no place here, I did not write. Okay. Got it? Now children, write a short composition on Kabaddi. This I have given you. Once I will read for you. Okay, you have to complete it in the classwork notebook. Kabaddi is a popular game played in Indian villages. We need a lot of strength to play this game. Kabaddi is played by 2 teams. Each team has 5 to 10 players. A member from one team goes to the opposing team to catch the player and make them out. One should hold one's breath and say the word Kabaddi continuously. The team that catches the maximum number of players from the opposite team wins the game. Got it children? Over. This you learn. Be ready for the test. Now here homework for students. Note down Kabaddi composition in classwork book. Complete worksheet 3. from practice book, pages 20 and 21. I did up to 2, isn't it? 1 and 2. You should do third one. Okay. And 4, 5, 6. Again, I'll be giving you for Saturday homework. For 3 worksheets on you. You should do on your own. Possessives, that is. Very carefully you should do on your own. Again, I'm not going to teach you now. Over my teaching, exams only start. It will start now. Exams will start now. Okay, children. Have a nice day. Good day. Okay. Thank you, children. Did you enjoy my lesson? Okay. Be ready. Be ready for the test. Okay.